Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So let's make some Chinese style duck sauce spare ribs. Okay? Alright, we're going to do it the Chinese way. Why not? Alright? Alright, so the main thing I want you to take from this is when you cook spare ribs are definitely tough. So you have to cook them like 2 hours in order to get them nice and soft. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to cook it on 350 degrees in the oven, and we're going to cook that until it's very tender. Okay, and then we'll finish it up in the air fryer. Alright, okay, so let's get started. Give it a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe, and check out my links below if you'd like to support this channel. Okay? Alright, let's do it. Thanks for hanging around, okay? I appreciate it. Appreciate the thumbs up, comment, thanks. Okay. Okay, so we're going to put some seasonings on here. I have some adobo. Get it right? Okay. So we're going to season both sides. I only put a little adobo on there because I have a rub that I'm going to use. Garlic. Okay, and then I have some blackened Cajun rub. Now the rub means just what it says. You're going to rub the seasoning right into the meat, okay? Give it a nice rub. Okay, and I'm going to turn it over and do the same thing. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to start with the bone side up. Okay. Okay, this is the cup. I have this much water in it, in the cup. Okay, I'm just going to put just enough on the bottom to make steam. I'm not even covering the bottom. Okay. Okay, I guess I can put that little drop in. Alright. I would say that's about 1/4 of a cup. Okay. The next thing you want to do is you want to cover it with aluminum foil, because we want to lock the steam in. I'm going to put another piece on. Make sure it's really locked in. Okay, so we're going to put that in the oven on 350 for a couple of hours, okay? Alright, I'll be back to give you the word of the day. Okay, so while we're waiting on our ribs to cook, let me give you the word of the day. Love. Where is your love for others? Have you lost it along the way? Have your heart gotten so hardened, like so your heart can't show love to others? Have your heart gotten to that point? Have you been hurt so much until the bitterness is not allowing you to love? Well, just so you'll know, it's really eating away at you. It's better for you to love, because when you love and show love, you feel good about yourself and what you do and say and portray to others. So try to take a new leaf and learn to love. And maybe love will love you back. Okay? That's the word of the day, love. All right. Okay, guys, our spare ribs are done. They've been cooking for 2 hours with the foil on them. Got a piece of foil on here, I think. Yeah, okay. So let me let you see what that looks like. Okay, so now we're going to put our Chinese style duck sauce on the ribs. And we're going to glaze it in the air fryer. Okay? This is our Chinese style duck sauce. So I'm just gonna put a little there on both sides. Okay, now I'm going to just put it on the rack. Let me let you see that. And now we're going to glaze it in the air fryer. Let me just clean this up. Okay, let's set the time. 370 is going to be the temperature. And let's go for 5 minutes. One sec. Okay, guys. Chinese style duck sauce spare ribs have ended in the air fryer. We were just glazing the duck sauce onto the ribs. So let me take this out and let you see. Look at that, guys. Okay. I have some rice here that I heated up, that I cooked the other night. So this is spinach yellow rice, and this is the spare ribs with the duck sauce on it. Chinese style spare ribs with Chinese style duck sauce spare ribs. Okay, so let me taste this for you. One sec. Okay, guys, let's take a taste. I have some of the spare ribs here and the rice. Wow. The duck sauce really tastes just like you have it in a Chinese restaurant. Let's talk about the spare ribs. The spare ribs, after 2 hours of cooking, is so tender. Oh, let me show you that. Okay, here's a piece, right? It's hot. But look how that just peels apart. You see that? Very tender. So that's what you want to do with your spare ribs. So that when you bite into them, you're not fighting the tough fat that's layered in between the meat. You want that to be a pleasant taste, right? So go ahead and enjoy your ribs. It's summertime. You know, you're going to cook some on the grill. Me, myself, before I put my ribs on the grill, I bake them halfway in the oven so that I can be assured that I have that tenderness once I get out the grill. Because for me, if you put them right on the grill, yes, they will get done, but it's a harder bite, and you want to have a more pleasant bite when you bite into your spare ribs. What do you think about that, huh? Okay. Well, I have completed this video, and I'll see you on the next one, okay? And by the way, I want to thank you again for 14,000 subscribers. That was very nice to see. I really like that, and I thank you from the bottom of my heart for all those who have subscribed and all those who will soon subscribe, okay? Thank you for the support and the care. And so until next time, give this a thumbs up if you like it. Share the video. You could definitely share this video because everybody's going to be cooking ribs for the summer, right? Subscribe if this is your first time on my channel, and check out my links below. I have a Patreon and a GoFundMe if you'd like to support this channel in any way. So until next time, thank you so much. Be blessed. Be safe. Bye.